Alright, so to illustrate the difference between the two ways of doing the metronome, this is where the eighth note equals the click. So we're setting it on 60, and this is what one chunk sounds like. So and then we would move it up to 63, doot doot doot. Same thing. Okay, so now for the triplets. So if I back it back down to 50, then when I hear, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So, but we only have the one click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So back to that same chunk. 1, 2, 3. So that's one chunk. Then you would slowly move the metronome up and then add the next little piece.